In this video, we will learn about the carboxylic acid. So, organic compound which contain COOH group are called carboxylic acid. So, there will be this COOH group present and this will be known as carboxylic acid. And depending on the number of carboxyl group, they can be monocarboxylic, dicarboxylic acids. For example, here there is only one COOH group. So, these are monocarboxylic acids which are formic acid and acetic acid. So if we talk about the general formula, so it can be CnH2n plus 1 COOH, or it can be written as R. R is the alkyl group, and in IUPAC system they are known as or named as alkanoic acid. Now we have dicarboxylic acid also. Like this, oxalic acid has two COOH groups, so it's a dicarboxylic acid. So the most common carboxylic acid is the acetic acid, which is also called the ethanoic acid, which is the IUPAC name, which is CH3COOH. So the molecular mass would be 60 because there are two carbons, so 2 into 12, which is the atomic mass of carbon, plus 4 into 1, the atomic mass of hydrogen, plus 2 oxygen atom into 16, which is the mass of oxygen. So 24 plus 4 plus 32, so it becomes 60. Now this acetic acid word has come from Latin word acetum, which means vinegar. Vinegar that we use in our homes, in our kitchens, it is 4.4 to 5% solution of acetic acid in water, and because of some other organic compounds, vinegar gets its grayish color, taste and flavor. Now acetic acid occurs in free states in many fruits, and in combined states it is found as esters in many oils. Now we can prepare acetic acid from ethanol or acetaldehyde. So the oxidation of ethanol or acetaldehyde by acidified potassium dichromate, which is K2Cr2O7, it gives ethanoic acid. We can also prepare it from acetylene. So acetylene, we know it is prepared by the reaction of calcium carbide with water. When this mixture is passed through 40% dilute sulfuric acid in the presence of mercury sulfate, it gives acetaldehyde. Now, the oxidation of acetaldehyde in the presence of manganese acetate gives acetic acid. So, this is how we can prepare it from acetylene also. And we can also prepare acetic acid by the fermentation of ethanol. So, we know 4.4 to 5% aqueous solution of acetic acid is called vinegar. It is obtained by fermentation of dilute 10% ethanol with bacteria which is called acetobacter in the presence of air at the temperature of 303 to 308 Kelvin. So this can be prepared like that also. If we see the uses of acid, it is used in the form of vinegar, which is used in our kitchens and foods. It is also used for the manufacturing of acetone and esters, which are used in perfumes. It is used in the preparation of dyes, plastics and pharmaceuticals, and also it is a popular household cleaner which is effective for killing molds, bacteria and germs. Now how can we test acetic acid? So we know that acids turn blue litmus solution or moist blue litmus paper red. So this is the test we can do. Also by the decomposition of carbonates and bicarbonates. So acids decompose carbonates like sodium carbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate to give CO2, which turns lime water milky. So here CO2 gas is evolved, which is again a test for carboxylic acids. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.